Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Compound, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Compound website. Once on the site, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration page. First, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and type it into the designated box. Ensure your password meets the specified criteria for security. After filling in your email and password, click the Register button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email inbox and look for the verification email from Compound. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Compound website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you may need to set up additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable two-factor authentication if required. Next, you will need to connect a cryptocurrency wallet. Choose your preferred wallet from the list of supported options. Follow the instructions to link your wallet with the Compound platform. Once your wallet is connected, fund it with the desired cryptocurrency. After funding your wallet, return to the Compound platform. Browse through the available cryptocurrencies for lending and borrowing. Choose the asset you wish to interact with and proceed accordingly. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transactions. Make sure to review the details of each transaction before confirming. You are now ready to start using Compound effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.